Hello, landlords and property investors. Maintaining a profitable rental property in Bengaluru isn't just about acquiring units or finding tenants. It's about keeping your property in top condition with smart budgeting strategies. Many property owners underestimate how essential it is to allocate funds for both ongoing maintenance and future upgrades. Ignoring this aspect can lead to unexpected repair costs, unhappy tenants, and depreciating property value. In this video, we'll walk you through a comprehensive approach to budgeting for rental maintenance and upgrades, ensuring long-term cash flow and sustainable growth for your real estate investments. 1. Recognizing the full scope of maintenance costs. Before setting a budget, it's crucial to understand what maintenance really involves. Routine services like plumbing repairs, electrical fixes, HVAC servicing, pest control, and cleaning of shared areas may seem minor, but accumulate over time. Then there are surprise issues like burst pipes or appliance failures that can throw off your finances if you're unprepared. Industry experts suggest allocating between 1% and 3% of your property's value annually for maintenance, though this can vary depending on the age, size, and current condition of the property. A well-rounded view of these costs lays the groundwork for responsible financial planning. 2. Building an emergency maintenance reserve. Unexpected repairs are an inevitable part of managing rental properties. When emergencies strike, such as a leaking ceiling or a broken geyser in winter, you need funds available instantly. This is where a dedicated emergency reserve comes in, kept separate from your regular operating budget. This reserve should ideally cover 3 to 6 months of typical expenses. By preparing for the unexpected in advance, you avoid the pressure of high-interest loans and ensure repairs are addressed quickly without disturbing your monthly cash flow. 3. Embracing preventive maintenance planning. Preventive maintenance is one of the most effective ways to reduce long-term costs. Tasks such as biannual HVAC servicing, annual roof inspections, gutter cleaning, and regular pest control may require upfront investment, but ultimately prevent major repairs. Creating a scheduled maintenance calendar helps structure your budget, assigning appropriate funds for recurring checks and tune-ups. By staying ahead of issues, you protect your property value and maintain tenant satisfaction. For planning for interior wear and tear. Every rental property experiences natural wear and tear. Walls lose their fresh coat, carpets wear thin, and kitchen or bathroom fixtures become outdated. Allocating funds for interior upgrades, like repainting, replacing flooring, and updating appliances, should be part of your regular budgeting cycle. These improvements not only retain your property's aesthetic appeal, but also enhance tenant retention, especially in high-traffic units or those with frequent turnovers. 5. Preparing for long-term exterior and structural upgrades. The exterior of your rental property plays a big role in first impressions and long-term durability. Major structural elements, such as roofing, external paint, windows, and driveways require substantial investment. Instead of facing a financial crunch when these components fail, plan ahead with a capital improvement fund. For example, if your property's roof is expected to last 20 years, begin setting aside funds for its replacement several years in advance. This foresight ensures your property remains safe and appealing without sudden disruptions. 6. Conducting inspections to inform your budget. Regular property inspections provide real-time insights into the condition of your asset, whether done quarterly, semi-annually, or after a tenant vacates. Inspections help you identify issues before they become serious. Leaky taps, pest intrusions, or appliance malfunctions are all easier to manage when detected early. By including inspection costs in your annual budget, you create a proactive system that keeps maintenance costs predictable and prevents larger capital drains. 7. Using budgeting rules to guide allocations. For new landlords or those unsure how much to allocate, simple rules of thumb can be helpful. The 50% rule suggests that around half of your rental income should go towards operating expenses, including maintenance. Meanwhile, the 1% rule recommends reserving 1% of property's purchase price annually for repairs. While not precise, these frameworks give you a solid starting point for managing property upkeep without stress. 8. Investing in cost-effective, energy-saving upgrades. Energy-efficient upgrades are a smart addition to any property maintenance plan. Replacing outdated appliances with energy-efficient models, adding insulation, upgrading to LED lighting, or installing water-saving fixtures can reduce operating costs significantly. Not only do these upgrades enhance tenant comfort and satisfaction, but they also result in long-term savings on utility bills. Including a dedicated line item in your budget for energy efficiency ensures consistent progress without overwhelming your finances. 9. Listening to tenants for smarter budget allocation. Tenants often have the clearest view of what needs attention in your property. Whether it's low water pressure, flickering lights, or deteriorating fixtures, their feedback is a goldmine for prioritizing upgrades. By actively engaging with tenants and setting aside a small portion of your budget for tenant-requested improvements, you demonstrate responsiveness and care. This not only improves retention, but also builds positive word of mouth, enhancing your property's market reputation. 10. Reassessing your budget every year. Your maintenance and upgrade budget should evolve with time. Economic conditions, property usage, and inflation all affect costs involved in property upkeep. Reviewing your budget annually allows you to assess what was spent, plan for deferred maintenance, and adjust projections a year ahead. Keeping detailed records of all past repairs, upgrades, and inspections will make this process easier and allow for more accurate forecasting. Bonus tip: SANGAU's expertise in maintenance budget management. At SANGAU, we specialize in helping landlords create and manage efficient maintenance budgets for their rental properties in Bengaluru. Our expert property management services include routine inspections, detailed repair tracking, and strategic planning for capital upgrades. We collaborate with trusted contractors to ensure quality work at competitive rates. And we also maintain emergency reserve protocols to handle unforeseen issues promptly. With SANGAU, you gain a dedicated team focused on preserving your property's value while keeping costs under control, so you can enjoy rental income without the day-to-day hassles. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the SANGAU channel. We're here to bring you more insightful content on property management, rental strategies, and real estate success in Bengaluru. Stay tuned for our next episode packed with actionable tips to make your rental journey more profitable and stress-free.